Honda trash pumps are the ultimate choice for heavy-duty, commercial and agricultural purposes. They allow certain solid objects, such as sticks, stones and debris, to flow through them. A 5.5 horsepower class Honda industrial engine powers the WT20 pump, and the discharge and suction port has a diameter of 2 inches. The WT model pumps are designed to move water, and plenty of it. The WT20 has a discharge capacity of 650 litres per minute. The WT30 is the ultimate in the Honda trash pump range. It discharges a huge 1,300 litres per minute and has a discharge and suction port of 3 inches. It's powered by the exceptional 8 horsepower class Honda industrial engine. This new centrifugal trash pump offers a unique conical impeller for exceptional priming and pumping performance. The Honda WT series trash pumps feature a replaceable stainless steel Voulez wear plate and offer silicon carbide mechanical seals to better withstand abrasives which may be carried through with the water. They include a full tubular frame to protect the pump from damage, and this frame also has convenient lifting points. The aluminium pump housing reduces the overall weight of the unit. Heat shields cover the entire muffler for added safety. This heavy-duty pump is ideal for large construction sites. They start first time, every time, by automatic decompression that reduces the pulling force required when starting the engine. Honda equipment meets or exceeds all Environmental Protection Agency requirements. They're cheap to run, have low emissions, and are quiet to operate. The WT20 and WT30 come with a 1-year commercial warranty and a 4-year domestic warranty. Their applications are wide and varied. Speak to your Honda dealer about how much water you need to move, and they can guide you to the best model for the job.